Hello, my paper peeps. Today I want to show you how to create this amazing scrapbook journal expandable mini envelope for your postcards. Now, I've actually created a mini scrapbook journal with this specific paper line, but I always find whenever I'm journaling, someone always comes to mind. And so I feel as though I need a set of cards, or in this case, postcards, that I can send to someone. Now, if you're like me, I love to write and I write a lot of stuff. So I'm going to create this expandable envelope just for you. If you're interested, I will put the link to this paper line in the description box below. So here we go. Now these are the postcards that come with the paper line. So they are embellished, or I've actually included some that aren't embellished. And I actually included ephemera in the paper line. So if you feel like you want to flex that scrapbooking muscle in these cards, then you can. And then you actually have these pages of ephemera that you can add to this card. But if you don't feel like you want to, it's already on there for you. Okay, so let's get started here. So this is the template for the expandable envelope, and this is the back side here. Now, make sure that you set your printer at 100%. Now, for the mini scrapbook journal, I've said set your printer at US borderless for all pages, except for this one. So be mindful of that. This one will still have a border around it, okay? And the first thing you want to do is, I just score everything before I cut. And obviously you're going to have to cut some areas with scissors. I tried cutting this off of 65-pound cardstock. I didn't like the way it came out. I found it was too stiff as an actual envelope. So yeah, I didn't like it. Just fold that there. Fold those there. So I forgot to score these ones. I find it's actually almost easier to fold these angled lines than on the scoreboard, but that's kind of what you're going to look at there. Now, like I said, I tried this on 65-pound cardstock, which I usually print the postcards on, and they're great for the postcards because postcards are supposed to be a little bit are supposed to be thicker. With this, I would recommend just using regular paper, printer paper. So this is the slit that you want to cut. Just like that. To trim it just a little bit here. There's a little bit of excess there. Depends on where you fold. Like this one, I think I didn't fold it exactly on that line, so there's a little bit of overhang here. all you have to do is cut that off. Just because my dotted lines are so thick. So yeah, if you find that, just go ahead and cut that off. A lot better. Okay. So what you want to do is glue this part, this triangle right here. And you want to glue this side down here too. And you want to pull those sides together, just like that. Okay. I'm just going to take a little clip here and just hold it in place there while I, okay, so it looks like that. Okay. Just gonna clip that just like that, just until it dries. So here's the ephemera. I love these. I'm a big washi tape person, so I thought I'd make some of this faux washi tape for you. And obviously I love flowers and butterflies and all those fun things. So, and I love gold. You'll notice in a lot of my scrapbooks, I have gold. So. And then we're going to use a 1.5 inch punch. And if you don't want to seal it completely, I just put a little bit of just a double-sided adhesive right there, so it doesn't completely seal it, and so it's easily, you can easily get in there. And it's actually a really good pull because this is quite snug. You can actually even extend, obviously, the opening a little bit so it's not so tight, but this is a nice little pull that you can have there. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're interested in how I created the mini scrapbook journal that actually goes with this one, then you'll probably want to see this video here. So take care and we'll see you in that video. Bye!